Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Vishnoi and today I feel immensely grateful and proud to share a small part of my journey. I secured 99.83 percentile and an All India rank of 138 in my JEE B.Arch examination, and a major credit of this goes to my coaching institute SSAC. My experience with SSAC was truly remarkable. Even though the classes were conducted online, the study environment was extremely encouraging and motivating, and also the faculty members explained every concept with a deep clarity, which helped me strengthen my fundamentals and improve consistently. Also, the one thing that helped me the most was how quickly I was able to identify and rectify my mistakes through detailed discussion, proper guidance, and also proper encouragement from the faculty members, which made self improvement much easier. And throughout the journey, whenever I felt lost or any difficulty, the support system of SSAC was always there with me. And trust me, guys, this was the driving force behind my confidence and determination through which I was able to achieve this rank. And at the end, I will just conclude that my journey was not only about studying hard, but also about developing perseverance, confidence, and also believing in myself. I will always be thankful to all the members of the SSAC for their invaluable mentorship and unwavering support. And thank you, SSAC, for your support. Thank you so much.